Okay, so we're taking a quick look at the Skyward Student Access Calendar now. And now what the calendar shows you are important events, again, that are just important to you. Things like no school days, very important. And of course also things like assignments. Now this is a great example because this little red box means there's an alert there. There's something we should pay close attention to. And that is the fact that this assignment is actually missing. It hasn't been turned in. So my guess is you probably know that, but this alert will kind of help us to remind us that there's a problem here. Or at least maybe if you thought you handed it in and it's marked missing, you can get that alert and go talk to your teacher about it. Also, you'll be able to click here and take a look at the assignment details. So if you wanted to get a little bit more information about that specific assignment. And then, what's really important is this little button here that says Export to Personal Calendar. Now what that lets you do is that lets you take that assignment that teachers will start getting used to posting these assignments ahead of time. And what you'll be able to do is post the assignment and or get the assignment from the calendar and have it appear in your personal calendar. So you would click that button and it'll export that that calendar event so that you can then import it into your personal calendar. And if you have an iPhone or if you have a laptop computer or an iPad, you can manage your time using that digital calendar, which is a really good practice if you haven't started doing that already. It really helps to kind of help you keep track of things that are going on. So that export to personal calendar button is really important. A couple other details that could be useful. If you click over here to where it says calendar display, you'll be able to customize what the calendar looks like. So if you'd rather have the tests appear in red, for example, you can change that color really easily and have then the tests appear that way. Do it in a way that makes sense to you so that you get important alerts. They get brought to your attention really easily just by looking at the colors. And that's about all there is for the calendar.